This video is going to be reminder for the Intelligence Bureau job profile, the vacancy for executive level or IBACIO second. So before that, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you will be keep updated. Now move on this video. In this video, I will going to be discuss each and every detail which is necessary to know before the application, before registration. Okay. So organization name is Intelligence Bureau, post name is ACIO second and executive level. Government job, government vacancy. Some of the profile, the total vacancy is 2000 all over India. So this recruitment or the application taking the central government is all of India. Doesn't matter you are living any state, but you should be the citizen of India, then you can apply for this post or you can apply for this examination. Closing date 9 January 2021. So do not procrastinate. That is why this video is going to be somehow give you edge. Go and go to this website www.mha.gov.in and register yourself for this examination. Pay scale going to be level 7 in this job profile. Minimum 44,900, maximum 1,42,400. Now the most concerned area, like age limit, if you are in this age minimum 18 and max to max 27, you can apply for this post. And the more concerned area about the fee structure before registration of any examination is, if you are general OBC candidate, 600 for the registration fees. SC and ST 100 rupees. If you are a female candidate, then is no then is not going to be any registration fees, but there is going to be some recruitment charges which will have to pay everyone, male and female. Now move on to the mode of examination. So they are going to be 3 tier. First is objective mode, MCQ level. Okay, the paper is going to be CBT and the MCQ format, tier 1 at least. So 5 subjects is covered in tier 1: general awareness, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English language and general study, and they are going to be negative marking. 1/4 यानी 0.25 marks deduct if you mark any wrong answer. And tier 2, if you qualify tier 1, move on to the tier 2, going to be descriptive level, totally 50 marks. Essay going to be 30 marks and English comprehensive and precise writing contain 20 marks. And tier 3 is going to be interview which contain 100 marks. Okay, so these are the methods. And eligibility criteria is any graduation. If you are graduate, if you done graduation any basic discipline, BA, BCom, BSc, you are eligible to apply for this post for this examination. So do not procrastinate. If you interested, go. There is a time, like few days still left. You can go and register yourself for this post. And with this I end this video. You give that much time. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.